guys, welcome back to the Quarshies. If this is your first time watching our videos, our channel, please do us a favor and subscribe to our channel. Be part of this family. If you are a return subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you all our new subscribers. Be part of this family, guys. Thank you for your encouragement, your support. Thank you for all you do, guys. It's been a very great journey, very, fruitful investment, I should say. As you all can see, the kitchen is up to date. So far so good. Today we're gonna install the kitchen faucet, and then there are so many errors, so many things that are happening in the house and around the house, and we're gonna take a look at them as this guy is trying to fix them. We're gonna see how best we're gonna do, and also as you watch, guys, take some clue out of these things. There are certain errors that they are unavoided. Sometimes you don't know how they happen, but they do happen, and what can you do? You just have to try as much as you can to correct those things, and that is what exactly we're doing. Now the plumber is here to install the kitchen faucet. It was a simple faucet that we bought. We actually bought for our house in the US, and we decided to buy additional one for Ghana. It's a simple faucet and very durable because we use it for more than 10 years. And we had no problem. We also decided to remove the frames from the kitchen, the bathrooms, to the guest bedrooms downstairs, and we decided to put glass doors over there, simple glass doors over there. So that is what the guys are doing. They did because our fear was that they're gonna break the tiles, but thank God they did it nicely without affecting the tiles. So this is it. There are so many works that needs to be done, which we are doing our possible best to get it done as soon as possible, because if we don't get it done, we don't know how we're gonna do with all these painting works that is about to start. So this is it. See the bathrooms and the guest rooms downstairs. This is the entrance to the bathroom. So we decided to take the wooden as well and put these ones there. So far so good. So far so good. It's coming up. Yeah, this is what we were looking at. This is what we wanted to do. We wanted to affect these changes, and we've done it. Yes, there was a leakage outside the house. It actually was coming out of the ceiling, and it's one of the bedrooms upstairs that was leaking. And thank God they were able to catch it fast so that it won't cause any damage to the walls and we've been able to chisel to, the plumber said it was one of the pipes from the bathroom. I don't know, I wasn't sure about it, whether it was the drainage or it was the pipe itself, the water pipe. Well, we've been able to rectify that, and the right thing is being done. Guys, as you all know, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do us a favor and hit the subscription button, hit the notification button as well, so that when we share any video, you'll be the first to know. If you have any comments, please don't hesitate to leave your comments, hit the likes button, and then share so that somebody might benefit. Looking at this kitchen cabinet, this kitchen granites, you might think that they were imported, but guys, somebody did it back there in Ghana. And this was the leakage that I was just talking about, and thank God they were able to rectify it quick, and the right thing was done. Yep, these things are bound to happen, especially a new house. Yeah, there are some errors that might be done that needed to be corrected immediately, and thank God that this was caught immediately, and then the right thing has been done. Also, the broken tiles, we decided to use it for the manholes, and this is it. I believe that the guy did a good job, by a good act job, by branding those tiles on there. And we have this tap outside as well that we can wash some stuff over there and do some stuff that we cannot take inside to wash. And these are the towels that are left over from the pool, so we decided to use that here, and the guys are coordinating it, putting it together to make it work. And guys, like I always say, little by little we are moving forward, little by little we are moving on. And as I always tell you, if you're undertaking this project or similar project or any project at all, one thing that you have to know is that time. It's very important for you to take your time and do as much as you can. Don't worry yourself in rushing, competing with anybody. There is no competition anywhere. It is what you want to do. Now, these guys here are installing the rain gutters. The rain gutters are also being installed, and that is also very important, that the rain gutters has to be done, and they are doing it. So we will update you guys to let you know what is going on in our next video. Watch out for our next video. Share, subscribe if you haven't. Don't watch our video without subscribing. Do us that favor and hit the subscription button. Thank you all. Bye.